Hello there and welcome to this demo video for StopMotionCreator. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use this software to create some awesome stop motion videos. So the first thing we need to do is take a video and upload it to the software. I have one here. I'm going to go ahead and drag it and drop it here, and that's going to go ahead and convert it and import it into the software for me. Now I can go ahead and play this and see exactly what it looks like. And if for any reason that I change my mind, I can go ahead and select a new source video here. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and what we're going to do is we are going to click on add a marker. Now for the marker, what we're basically doing is choosing how long we would like to freeze the video and then the frames density for when we freeze it. Now the best way to do this is you're going to have to play with these numbers until you find a pattern that works good for you. For example, I found that every 0.5 seconds and at a frame density of 15, and then I'm going to click on generate. And once I generate that, it's going to pop up with the export options. But what you can do is go ahead and close out of this. You don't have to export it just yet. Then you can come back here and click on play and see exactly what that looks like with the numbers that you set up. Okay, so not too bad here for a stop motion video. But like I said, playing with those numbers is going to be what you're going to be doing for the majority of your videos. Finding something that looks good, increasing your frame density or increasing the speed or decreasing the speed in those freezes. Now, if you aren't satisfied with what you have here, simply click on the X over here to go ahead and redo your marker, and we can do the frames amount as well instead of the seconds. Now, let's go ahead and go back to what I have there because I kind of like those settings. When you click on generate, you now have your export options. So we have multiple formats, ratios, resolutions, and FPS. So we have the MP4, the MOV file, or the GIF, the aspect ratio here, the quality. For the resolution, I like to go with, let's say, 1280 by 720, and then your frame rates, and then simply click on export. And that's really it. You're going to choose where you would like to save it. Go ahead and name it whatever you want to name it, and then click on save. It's going to go ahead and export your video rather fastly, I must say. And once it's done, we can go ahead and open that up and see exactly what that looks like. Okay? So there you go. In just a matter of minutes, we took a nice video and turned it into a stop motion video by simply applying some freezes in between the frames.